short cut a margin call when the bull began his run. The candle's green came fast and tall. Each wick was bold, quick to stun. His eyes burned red, and his horns did more when the bull began his run. Now fortune smiles upon the need. His bags of gold gleam in the sun. The outer stream of his balance sheet, and every bear is left with none. Since the bull began his run.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome, welcome. The bull seems to be beginning his run. Amazing, amazing. Who is not loving it right now? Only the bears. So we have Bitcoin overtaking gold on the ETF market. iShare, iBit. Uh, you have the BlackRock ETF, right? For gold compared to Bitcoin, the Bitcoin is higher right now. That's why you see gold is dumping when Bitcoin is going higher, and it makes complete sense. Not only that, you have the U.S. national debt, right? Keep going up and up. So we are at close to 36 trillion right now. I think it's probably gonna be top to that 36 at maybe in the next couple of weeks, right? And and if you wonder why, well, this is one of the meme out there saying why. They can't stop printing. They need, and if you look at the face of the guy printing, it's so like furious. It needs to. He's in a rush, and he kind of have to like do it. Doesn't have a choice, right? So that's the way it is. And we have the Canadian dollars. That's good for the Canadian dollars. The shekel, the most shekels. Bitcoin surpassed 110,000 Canadian most shekels. And then we have Ben City, Reno, Open Hand Slaps, Bank of Canada, Governor Tiff McClim in a double fueled rich. Amazing, nice, nice, and nice. And so that's the way it is. And now I come out here to just show you guys a few charts and why it's important to stay humble and stock sats, right? You want to stack sats. If your goal was to retire one day, or maybe have a goal to be more flexible in your work schedule, if you don't want to keep working all your life, then you want to have a Bitcoin strategy. And if you only could afford $100 a week, nothing changed, right? So it's the same thing when the price was going down, nothing changed. The only thing here in the bottom side, that you could accumulate more satoshis per dollars, but over here you kind of getting way less satoshis than back in 2023, where everybody was afraid to get in, right? So, but I would say that's why it's important to stay humble, right? And stack that. So, and this is the same goal, right? You have 100. If you want to stack 100 of $100 every week, and then this is what you get over a period of 9 years. A lot of people think 9 years is a long way from them, right? Like think about it, $100 a day, $100 a week, not a day, $100 a week gives you 47,000, right? In that 9 years, that would be how much money you would be stacking in cash, and the Bitcoin would be over a million, right? So I mean, if you give me the trade, like just stack $100 and then get a million, over a million in 10 years, right? I'm gonna take that, right? Can you imagine, like, since when the day when most of us start working, and if we did have that option, right? If we know about Bitcoin, right? Imagine how much money we would have right now. Like some people are just paying like a car loan, right? $250 you're putting in that car loan, right? That could be saved into Bitcoin, and you are multi-millionaire in the next 10 years. So that's the way I look at it. Um, just avoid the quick and euphoria times when price is peaking, everybody's talking about it. If you go on Google search right now, it's peaking, right? What is Bitcoin is peaking right now on Google search. So that's you should have known about Bitcoin way before. You should came to that channel way before. Since it's never too late to be in Bitcoin, it's your time to learn. It's your time to start learning and educate yourself why it's Bitcoin and not crypto. And you have to understand why Bitcoin, why it matters. Because if you don't understand it, you're just gonna come to make some quick bucks, and you will regret that at some point. Because I did, right? The reason I can tell you that because I tried to do that, I tried to do the same thing, and it didn't work. So the strategy that works is to learn, right? To stick to the truth, stick to the reality, get the signal, right? That's why I came here. I come to give the signal. So, anyways, let's move on. This is the price right now, right? Speaking right now. That's the bottom I was talking about, right? Those bottoms line 2022, right? Winter 2022, 2023, and that was the good times. Even like since the beginning of the year, I for like those 6, 7, 8 months, you could be accumulating a lot of Bitcoin, um, a lot of Satoshis. I mean, and we have the mere multiple as well. We are just above the average in a 0.05 point. So amazing. Today's we the value is 29% higher. So okay, so just it's kind of this index. It's like an index. Just go up and down like usually bull run. If you just go over that green line. We're not even close to that green line yet. Right? So still good. Um, I'm gonna keep watching this for you guys every time I make a video. So make sure you check my videos. Um, yeah. So and the last chart I wanted to show. Uh, okay. So yeah, let's look at this. This is the balance of Bitcoin on exchanges. Bitcoin is going up, and we slightly have about uh, 2.35 million Bitcoin, 2.35 million. So, and then from the past 30 days, we exchanges lose 66,000 Bitcoin, almost 66,000 Bitcoin was taken off exchanges. Good job. I hope this continues until we go to zero Bitcoin on exchanges. It's never gonna be get to zero, but I hope we get to some Satoshis one day. Um, yeah, that was it. And just stay humble and stack sats. So that's where I wanted to leave it, guys. And just remember to uh, you know appreciate each other and share your knowledge, share education, be genuine. Don't try to hype on others. They're not gonna get it this way. I tried it and it didn't work. It never worked. Let them come to you, ask you, and there are many ways. And the most humbling way is to this year. This chart, I love it a lot. I think this website is gonna be one of the most popular website on Bitcoin. It's because every time you got wrecked, you understand that it's why it's important to be humble and just look at it in the long term. Anyways, I'm just gonna leave it there. I hope you guys enjoy. This was like over.